Hey everybody, Tony Pellegrino from GenRight Off Road, and Jeff and I are going to upgrade the shocks today on our JK Stage 1 build. And Jeff, what are we putting on?
We're putting on the Bilstein B8 8100 bypass shock. So these are really huge shocks. This will be a huge upgrade. We'll be able to rip through the desert with these.
Yeah.
This is kind of the top line for the Stage 1.
For sure. And prior to this, we had the 5100s. So kind of the average, shock that everybody would have. And now we're really going to jump all the way to the other extreme and give this a try on here as well. So watch along as we do this swap and learn how it's done. In the process of installing the new shocks, we realized it was going to take away all of our access to change the steering box. So since that was one of the two things we needed to do today, we stopped changing the steering box now, and then we'll go back to finishing putting on the shocks. All right, as part of our JK Stage 1 Elite build, we've decided with the bigger tires and the better steering that we also want to upgrade the steering box. So on this side here, we've got the stock steering box. It's old. Instead of rebuilding it, we decided to go to PSC and get what they call their big bore box XD. And this thing's a monster. Not only is the box bigger in configuration, it's got a much larger pitman arm than the stock one, and the sector shaft is about half again as big. It'll easily turn these 37-inch tires on and off road, and what that'll do is it will allow us to not install a ram assist on this Dana 44. Once you go up from here, you're going to want to go to a ram assist, and the box that we got from PSC is also ported. It's already set up. We don't have to change the box again, and we're just kind of thinking ahead, and this is a really nice upgrade, and it's not that expensive. All right, everybody, we are done doing the install. The steering box was a little bit more involved because it needed brand new power steering lines, the pressure and the return. So we ordered some new ones from the dealer, put those in. Good idea to have them fresh anyways. They had been in there for years. A long time. Seized up. So. Yeah. So shock installation went really well, actually quite nicely designed.
It's a really nice kit. There's a lot of hidden features there, like a little ear that pokes out here that goes through the pre-made hole from factory in the shock tower, so the shock can't twist.
Yep.
So I'm super excited to see how these perform.
This mount for the reservoir is great, and you have this hose that pivots, which is really nice. Just lets everything move without getting torqued and break. So now the idea is get this out, take it for a run, and see what we think. Hopefully you like following along with this Stage 1 JK Elite build on our Dana 44s, the factory Rubicon 44s. So stay tuned and we'll give you an update.